ẹ̀yin tèmi wọ́n ló ti tún rúgbó bàbá yìí ò ní Nàìjíríà o. Wọ́n ní ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Donald Trump yìí, wọ́n ti jíṣẹ́ ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Donald Trump yìí nígbà kan. Wọ́n ní kí Donald Trump ṣọ́ra pé báyìí máa ṣẹlẹ̀ lórí assassination attempt láti January sí June, kó ṣọ́ra pé ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ máa ṣẹlẹ̀. Òun láyé tó ti ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí o. Òun ni Prime Minister Ayọ̀délé tó wá fi ohun tó lágbára ránṣẹ́ sí ààrẹ Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu. Wọ́n ní àwọn kan máa àtáàkì Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu o, pé àwọn kan ń lépa wọn. Wọ́n ní pé kán má sùn o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n sọ ohun tó lágbára yìí náà wọ́n fi ránṣẹ́ sí Olúbàdàn àti àwọn ọba kọ̀ọ̀kan. Wọ́n ní báyìí máa ṣẹlẹ̀. Wọ́n ní instead kán máa béèrè lọ́wọ́ man of God pé kí ni ohun tá a lè ṣe sí tẹ́ bá rí irú àwọn ìran yìí. Wọ́n ní ṣùgbọ́n instead kán béèrè pé ìgbésẹ̀ wo làwọn lè gbé tá a bá rí irú ìran yìí. Wọ́n ní àwọn man of God náà máa attack pé ó ṣe jẹ́ bí nǹkan burúkú bí ikú lẹ máa ń rí. Wọ́n ní tó yìí máa ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà, pé Nàìjíríà ó ń rúgbó bọ̀lọ̀bọ̀lọ̀wọ́, pé Nàìjíríà hot gan. Wọ́n ní tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà kọ́ lọ́run jẹ́ kápá Nàìjíríà lè ka. Wọ́n tún fi ohun kìlọ̀ ránṣẹ́ tó lágbára sí bàbá Tinubu. Wọ́n ní kẹ́ gbọ́ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí o. Wọ́n ní wọ́n fẹ́ àtáàkì bàbá Tinubu o. Wọ́n náà tó fẹ́ àtáàkì wọn yìí, wọn ò tí ì dáwọ́ dúró. Wọ́n tún wọ́n ní bàbá Tinubu. Wọ́n ní ẹ má tẹ̀wó. This CROSSBLOGXTV, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ gbọ́ ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ ìran yìí lẹ́nu Prime Minister Ayọ̀délé. Kẹ́yìn náà kẹ́ máa fi opinion yìí sínú comment. Ẹ jẹ́ àjọgbọ́.
See, some people will run after Tinubu. They want to attack Tinubu. These are message of the Lord for you to prevent it by asking questions. How come? Donald Trump is not seeing it coming. If you have seen it coming, it won't go there. They have done it. It's only that the secret services prevented it. That is why they are going to stone a lot of governors when they start their campaign. We pray against political assassination. When they start their campaign, they will insult kings when they start their campaign. And among the kings is Olubadan, who will be insulted politically. If care is not taken, they will reprimand him. These are warnings. When we said that Kuje prison they want to break jail, it happens. Kuje prison was under threat. They bring soldier and the prison warders personnel. They were there. They keep video. Meanwhile, it's not yet over. Nigeria is sitting on a time bomb. What is going to happen in the next 5 months will shock a lot of people. We can have economic rapture because the present Minister of Finance does not understand. He believes that Minister of Finance is a title. It's not a title, no. That seat is hot. And as a matter of fact, you will see more leakages. So the man needs more prayers to work out things so that Nigeria economy will not sink. Nigeria economy is about to sink. But people will not see it coming. What that prophet said, they will say, no, it's a doom. This is not a doom. 2022, when we said that voting for APC, look at what will happen. Has it not all happened? Why can't you be grateful to God than to be blaming God all the time or praying the prophet that no, this one is a doom, this one does not like us? Tinubu advisors, they will kill Tinubu because they will not allow Tinubu to see the light. They will not allow Tinubu to see what is coming ahead. Like Adamawa State, I will still be very adamant that the Badu candidate can never win Adamawa except they kill Adamawa or they rig it. Adamawa can never win. That's why I'm warning Fintini that, see, look at Felix and Abdurrahman Aski. Am I from Adamawa State? Have they consulted me? Did I know them? No, sir. But that is the message. team up with these people, they will give results and the country state will move forward. Why can't we listen to simple instruction of God and let's work towards it and get results? Let's stop being human all the time. Okay, no, this is the calculation. They will say political calculation. When God is calculating for you, you now come out with your own. You say you're a master of strategy. You know that when God is making his own thing, when he's planning his thing, you are nobody before it. Why America will fail Iran war is because Trump believed that he's the Alpha and Omega of this world. And now he's getting tired. He will get tired. Iran will never down to his tomb. He has never known this. And he never see this that is coming. And this Iranian war will make Trump to suffer mental health. Because it's going to be a big shame to his country. Tinubu, the moment you print another money, the economy will just be exposed, everything. Nigerian economy will go down completely. And Cardoso's seat is also shaking. So many things about to happen in Nigeria.